All right, my third exploration technology is GimKit. I have never used GimKit. I went through and kind of explored with it a little bit, started playing with it. So I'm going to take you through that. So you're going to log in once you go to gimkit.com. Let me do that real quick here for you. Okay, and yes. And you're going to get to this page where it talks about having kits and reports and assignments and classes. I'm going to take you through the basics here. Your school could have uh, GimKits already created for you in the past. As you can see here, my school, people have used this in the past. And what's cool is you can collaborate and you can share not only with your school, but with other schools as well. You can share with other teachers and share their GimKits that they've created. But I'm going to take you through the process of making a kit. So we're going to click New Kit here. I'm going to call this kit Math since I'm a math teacher. English, math. Okay, that sounds good. Let's get a photo for this. All right, yep, the calculator looks good. You could search for something, but we're here doing it quick. You can generate these with AI. It's really neat. So you can have, you can give AI. If I click here, you can give them the description of what you want. I want 10 problems. Two-step linear equations. And I can pick the grade level, ninth grade. There you go. Generate questions. And you can get those 10 questions there. You can add all those questions. It can be that quick. You can add all these questions by yourself. You can do flashcards. There's a lot of cool things. You can import from a spreadsheet. Never done that. But I did do the AI. I thought that was neat. It was quick and it was an effective way to quickly find problems that you want to use in class. All right, so I click all done. And then I can do a couple things here. I can play it live together as a class, or I can assign this as homework for my students. Doesn't necessarily have to be homework, but if I assign this, what it does is it'll take you to Classroom and it gives an opportunity to play. The cool part of GimKit is now this right here, being able to play the games. Okay, so there's tons of cool interactive games that the kids get to play that involve answering their problems and winning and tactics and scheming ways to win a little game, and it becomes kind of addicting and fun. I'm not going to click on all these because that'll take a while to do, but you can pick a game and you can learn. It gives you duration, all that great stuff right there. Generate nicknames. You can do this as a class or you can do it individually. Has that flexibility. Okay, so I think it's a really, really cool piece of technology, web-based, can use it on anything. The only downside of this review is I did notice that it only has like a free 30-day trial. I know my school pays for it. I think it's only like $10 a month, but it's really neat. Resource to get kids review. It's interactive and it's just a cool tool that students want to use. ISTE standards that I chose were the following. I chose 2-3A, creating a positive experience for the students and the learners, and building on inclusive communities here. And I think this is a great positive experience for learning and reviewing. It would be really beneficial for like finals or the end of a test to create these for students to have some fun, just reviewing their concepts that they've learned. And then my other standard was 2.6C, teaching computational and design thinking, where this gives kids challenges kids in their design process and their innovation to think and critically think and solve problems with the games. I thought that was right on right there with 2.6C. So appreciate you joining me. Take care.